Hey y'all, what's up? This hair needs to be refreshed. It's almost been a week since I got it done and I haven't done anything to it. I haven't greased it, curled it, put flexi rods in or anything. So I want some body back in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly retouch up my hair. I try to only go over my hair once, one pass, and that's enough when I'm just retouching it because I don't want to go over it too many times and risk the chance of messing up my natural hair. It's so funny when my hair is natural and in its natural state. Sometimes I'm like, oh, I really want to get my hair straightened, and then as soon as I straighten it, I miss it back curly. So next week I'm probably gonna wash this out and go back to my fro. But anyways, this is what my hair is looking like. I haven't looked at it because I don't have the mirror to look at the back of it right now, but it doesn't matter if I miss some little pieces anyways, because all I'm gonna do is wrap it up because I don't want to wear it curly like this. I want to wrap it so that it will kind of like lay and come down a bit. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and get ready. I've already gotten the kids ready, so we're all set. Mona went to work a little early today so that we would be able to go. Don't mind my raggedy scarf, y'all. I've had this thing since maybe middle school, and I left it at my friend's house for like 2 years, and then she finally brought it back. I don't know why I love this scarf. I have newer ones, but it seems like this one just grips my hair properly. Like I put on the other satin ones and it's like just slipping off. So I'm just like, where's my old raggedy pink scarf? But anyways, all right, so let me go get ready before Mona comes. Kind of want to wear it like this, but I'm gonna part it again, my usual side part, and see how that looks. This is how I usually wear it. But I think I'm gonna try something a little different. Kind of like the look that it's giving me down the middle, so I'm gonna go ahead and wear it like that instead. My hair is looking like after I touched it up with my flat iron and put a bit of cheat in it, not too much, that's it. I'm gonna get Savannah so y'all can see her Saturday style day. Let me get her real quick. Savvy, come here. Come, we're gonna show everyone your hairstyle for this week. For the week. Alright, jump, 1, 2, 3. Ooh, here she is. Show them your hair, Savvy.
My hairstyle is a wig.
It's not a wig.
It's a hairstyle.
That's a hairstyle for the week. Show them, bend down your hair. See, mommy did some braids. Show, bend down. And then show the back. Here comes Clinton. Whoa. Look at me, Savvy, so they can see the back. And that's the back.
No, it's not.
A few braids in the front, and that's that. We're getting ready to go to, but Daddy came home and he's being super slow. So we gotta wait on him even more. Even though he said, be ready by 4:30, which I pretty much was, and it's now 6 o'clock. But anyways, whenever we get out of this house, I will check back in with y'all.
Jamil, you a liar. I can't take the stress, I'm tired. Happy say your boss start toward the world.
Hey guys, so we are currently headed to Fridays to get something to eat. We're meeting my sister and her brothers here, and my brother-in-law and my cousin, I think. So let's see if we see them.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let me get your bag. Sorry.
Hey everyone. Don't you guys look nice? I might like a little something out there. Hey,
and it will be a good nourishment to our body as well.
Amen. Amen, Clayton.
What one of the muscle? Nadia can't eat the car.
Nadia, don't that look good?
You know what? Look at watch out. Where want to write this? Where want to? Stop. What are them, Nadia? No.
Don't try to tempt her.
Why she eat the cake? Like it. Guy is better than that smoothie. That is it. My lemon water.
Clayton, is that yummy?
Yeah, yummy.
Yummy, yummy. Go ahead and double dip. We're all family here.
Wow.
Now they're trying to get her Jamaican body right, so all she's drinking is water and lemon, people. And let's see what her food comes, what she's eating.
I want to bring a guy your boy.
Listen, we gotta get a little time hustle on, so we need to go to Jamaica next year. Who's with it?
What are we hustling? That what we hustling? Put them in your foreign bag.
So nobody be serious.
Savannah, you want to go to Jamaica next year?
Yes,
What you said, Nadia? Talk louder, talk louder. You said unfortunately you won't be going to Jamaica next year. We'll see. I am, because when we buy the ticket, if we're going, y'all bought your ticket already? Alright, let me see if I can call and get one.
All you gotta do is send out a picture of Patsy.
Titus.
Cause I'm dreaming of you tonight till tomorrow.
Winter about it. Winter about it.
How you got to Titus, Nadia? How you got to Titus? Devin, what you have to say to Fridays? You have to taco platter.
Come here hungry. Remember the days. The chicken, the big sauce. Mashed potato, the big sauce. And the shrimp then big like a head. They're not going.
They're not going good.
What about money?
Look at the two little pieces of chicken, Devin.
What about my money? I wear up.
Go there.
$10 ship and
What about money?
I was looking Savvy, you like that? I think Savannah's satisfied.
Sammy, what she has
Clayton, are you satisfied? Do you like your food? No, but it's yummy. This is what Nadia got. Broccoli and chicken. Trying to get that Jamaica body right, you know what I'm saying? No salt, no pepper, no carbs, just chicken and broccoli. No juice, just water and that good old lemon, you know?
Flat tummy tea. Flat tummy tea.
That's what Nadia has right there. Hey y'all, so we just left Fridays with our family. The food was good. Hubby's driving. Clayton's sleeping and Savannah is up as usual because she doesn't go to bed until she's in her bed. Clayton will sleep anywhere. But anyway, so I'm gonna log out for the night and say good night, stay blessed, and have a good vibes. Look at that. Babe is catching my outro. What do you say, babe? If you like my vibe, please go ahead and subscribe. Oh, somebody's been watching his wifey's videos. Alright y'all, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Adios.
You can do it, Max!
Oh, peace. Look at the focus. There you go.
It's not as easy as it looks, man.
30 seconds!
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Good morning.
Morning.
You guys eating your breakfast?
Yeah. What is this?
Frosted Flakes. You like that one?
No.
You still tired? What happened in the story of Moses, Aiden? What do you remember?
He went up in the hill.
He went up in the hills. What did you say, Savannah? What happened?
The boy went in to die, and then he was closing his eyes.
Yes, that is right. When they did not listen, God took away the little boys. What do you remember, Olivia?
Huh? I remember.
Did you like the story?
Yeah, and when the guy told God that he said to forgive him.
Yes, he did ask for forgiveness. Clayton, are you enjoying your snack?
Yeah.
Did you like the story of Moses?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look, guys, we have an intruder.
Yippity.
Someone doesn't feel good, so he came to intrude our class. Intruder.
Take a picture of him.
Yeah, I got him.
Oh. Take a picture of him.
Mm-hmm.
Please.